Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Basics. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to explore one of the most exciting topics, English vocabulary for sports and games.
Sports and games are great topics to talk about because they're universal. People all over the world love sports.
Whether you want to describe your favorite game, talk about a match, or learn how to explain the rules, this lesson will cover it all. Let's get started. Types of sports. Let's start by learning the names of common sports. We can divide them into categories. Team sports.
Team sports involve groups of people working together. Examples include football or soccer, basketball, cricket, hockey, volleyball.
Example sentences. I love watching football matches on the weekends. Basketball is a fast-paced and exciting game. Individual sports.
Individual sports are played by one person at a time. Examples include tennis, swimming, running, golf, cycling.
Examples. I go swimming every morning to stay fit. Golf requires a lot of patience and skill. Extreme sports.
Extreme sports are adventurous and sometimes dangerous. Examples are skydiving, rock climbing, surfing, skateboarding.
Examples. Skydiving is on my bucket list. Surfing looks fun, but it's challenging. Indoor games. Indoor games are played inside. Examples include table tennis, badminton, billiards.
Examples. Table tennis is a popular indoor game. Chess is a game of strategy and patience.
Now, let's learn some words and phrases that are used in all sports. Players and roles.
Here are some common terms. Player, someone who plays the game. Coach, the person who trains the players. Referee, the official who enforces the rules. Captain, the leader of the team.
Examples. The referee blew the whistle to start the game. The coach gave the team a pep talk before the match. Equipment.
Every sport needs specific equipment. Here are some examples. Football, ball, goalpost, cleats. Tennis, racket, ball, net. Cricket, bat, ball, stumps. Basketball, ball, hoop, sneakers.
Examples. You need a racket and a ball to play tennis. Cricket players wear helmets for safety. Places.
Different sports are played in specific places. Football, field or pitch. Tennis, court. Tennis, court. Basketball, court.
Examples. The football match is held on a large field. Swimming pools must be clean and safe. Actions. Here are some action words. Kick, used in football. Throw, used in basketball. Hit, used in cricket and tennis. Catch, used in baseball or cricket.
Examples. He kicked the ball into the goal. She hit the ball over the net.
You can describe your favorite sport using these steps. Name the sport.
Start with, my favorite sport is, name.
Example. My favorite sport is basketball. Explain why you like it.
Use phrases like, I like it because it's exciting. It's fun to play with friends.
Examples. I enjoy cricket because it's a strategic game. I love swimming because it keeps me fit. Describe how you play it.
Use phrases like, to play this sport you need. The goal of the game is.
Example. In football, the goal is to score by kicking the ball into the net. Start with when and where.
Example. I watched the match last Saturday at the stadium.
Example. The basketball game was held in our school gym. Describe the highlights.
Example. The final goal was amazing.
Example. The players worked together so well to win the match. Talking about favorite sports. What's your favorite sport, Alex?
I love football. What about you?
I enjoy badminton. It's so much fun. Watching a match.
Did you watch the football match yesterday?
Yes, it was so exciting. The final goal was incredible. Let's learn some fun idioms related to sports. Hit it out of the park. Do something really well. Get the ball rolling. Start something. Call the shots. Make decisions.
Examples. She hit it out of the park with her presentation. Let's get the ball rolling on our project. Outro. That's it for today's lesson on sports and games vocabulary.
We hope you enjoyed it. What's your favorite sport? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak English Basics for more fun lessons.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.